Hello Zachary and whoever else is watching this video. Since I've gotten rid of the old rolling house, I thought it'd be good to introduce you to the new rolling house. This is my Ford F-150 pickup, and then here's my Stealth toy hauler. It's called a toy hauler because it's so big and tall on the end that I can put lots of stuff in it. The pickup doesn't hold nearly as much as the van used to, so I had to get a bigger vehicle to tow it in, and that's what the Stealth is for. The Stealth is actually a lot bigger feeling to me than the trailer was. And one of the neat things about it is the whole back door opens up and folds down into either a deck, which is what it is now, or you can lower it to the ground and you can use it as a ramp. Inside, it feels a lot larger than the old trailer did, because the ceiling is so tall. And you can see I'm using the whole back end for all of my stuff. That's my toys. And then up here, which I'm not using, there's a sofa and a bed that lowers so that someone could sleep there. Now I'm just using it as storage though. And there is a separate bedroom, which is nice to have. The old trailer had everything in one place. So it's nice to have this bed. This is where it slides out and in to make the room bigger and smaller. And then of course the bathroom, and with the shower being quite a lot bigger than the old one was in the old trailer. And it's got a big entertainment system and all sorts of controls that I still have to learn what they all do. But it gives you an idea of what the new rolling house is.